but we're starting now from the physical, and that will affect the emotional and the mental and the outer. So whichever way you start from, we're whole beings, it will have an effect across the board. So let's move on to now neuro-emotional points. So neuro-emotional points, there are quite a few of them around the body. They are based on various meridian lines, and these are places where our emotions build up, and then they want to release. Neuro-emotional points need to be manipulated firmly. Circular motions, doesn't matter which directions, again, 2 fingers. However, you don't want to carry on and on and on and on and on. Sometimes you've got a pain over here and you think, oh, I'm going to massage this now for 5 minutes. What you're doing is you're overstimulating it. And it feels great then, and then what happens? It comes back, and sometimes even worse. And you think, oh, why did that happen? It's been overstimulated. 30 seconds, maximum 45. Okay, so the first one is where the collarbones meet here in the middle, just as the soft part of your throat comes out. Okay, so on this point here, we're going to do 2 points together. Other 2 fingers, as you go into the nape of your neck where it curls down and the soft part is, that's where you want to go. Okay, any points here sore for anybody? So when you're doing these points for yourself at home, always check in. Is anything tender today or not? Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. But it's a good practice for you to actually just communicate with your body and just to be aware, and then swap hands around what's going on. Your body loves to receive conscious attention. Yes, just where it goes in nice and soft. Okay. And then the neuro-emotional point for the circulatory and reproduction meridian, which is active now, is here. Okay, just on the inside of the elbow over here. So you're going to be manipulating that. You can do it over clothes. It doesn't have to be on the skin. And if you want to, you can also use your thumb. Now, it's incredible for me to experience this now, because it was about 2 or 3 weeks ago when I was rubbing this point. It was so tender. No, tonight I can't feel it. Anybody have a tender point here tonight? The right side. So the right side, remember, is our masculine. It's also about the past. It's about letting go. It's connected with our subconscious. And then remember to do the other arm as well. The left is the feminine. It's about the future, and it's connected with the conscious part of the brain. Yeah. So then you can ask yourself relevant questions. You know, if the right side is painful, what do I need to let go of? Why is my right side talking to me? I had one client who came to me years ago and had so many accidents, one after the other, in a short space of time, all on the right side of his car. So we start looking at that a little bit deeper, and that you can do in a kinesiology session. Right, we're going to move on to